Hi, today we are going to see how to make oil paint effect. I have taken this image. You can use any image before and after. You can make this effect with two easy steps. I'll show you how. First, select the image, make a copy of it, Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Then go to filter, go to stylize, oil paint. Click this. Here you can see the preview. You can give the stylization more, cleanliness a little bit more. So scale little bit less and click OK. Now go to filter and repeat this action and repeat it again. So you get this hair in oil paint effect. So the next thing you have to do is make a mask. Select the mask, take the brush tool, select foreground color to black, reduce the opacity to around 35, increase the brush size and just paint on the eyes highlighted area so that you can reduce the opacity still more, increase the brush size. This is the before, this is the after. Just two easy steps to make the oil paint effect. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.